Good morning from beautiful Jamaica. We are slowly inching into port right now.
Pretty cool.
It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And as you can see, it's paradise. So we're gonna go check out the concierge pool deck.
Yes.
I don't think
It's relaxing.
Yeah, but I don't know if I want to relax. I've been relaxed. I want an adventure today.
You want some entertainment?
Yeah, so we're gonna check it out and then maybe go to a more lively group.
Right. Lots of kids and noise and yeah. It's all good.
We might stay in the concierge section. Let's go check it out. We have been so lazy.
Doing absolutely nothing.
We've been sleeping for napping, resting in these giant chairs for about 35 minutes. And then Gavin couldn't find us and he texted us. So now he wants to go in the hot tub.
Sounds good to me.
Go to the hot tub? You want a hot tub?
This hot tub.
I want a hot tub time machine. So how amazing was your concierge pool or lounge or hot tub experience? You liked it?
So fun.
Total relaxation. And now we're gonna make our way over to the family area and do some slides and aqueduct. But I have got to spray the suntan lotion because my shoulders are red. Yep, but you always want to stay hydrated and suntan lotioned up. We got to go this way because they're working over here. They're always dressing the ship up. Yeah, and we're parked next to a Royal Caribbean. It's such more of a prettier, yeah, painted and clean. So Disney's the way to go. Just got off the aqueduct. The line opened up. Gavin and Tyler was the second family. Me and Ashley was the third. Then we jumped off and got right back on it again.
2 in a row.
Aqueduct, no wait. The water was warm. Don't get no better.
It was great.
Beautiful day in Jamaica.
Yes, it is.
Now we're gonna go maybe get to Cabanas. That's our favorite hangout.
Yep, I'm hungry.
They didn't have no nachos, but they had crepes.
No tacos.
No tacos, but they had crepes.
I'm going back for that.
They had crepes, brisket, salmon, shrimp,
Jerk chicken.
jerk chicken. No tacos.
Beef tenderloin.
Everything looks good though. We're gonna
Very
leave it
good.
up. One more time. And again. Now just the boys. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Down, 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 and the flames got hotter.
And it burn.
The ring of fire.
The ring of fire.
We have left lunch and we came to play Villains Trivia.
Ooh, the bad guys.
Trivia was so much fun.
Yes.
We lost again, but we had fun doing it. And now we're at Sweet on You, maybe getting some ice cream or gelato. We're acting like we're just spoiled brats.
Because we're on vacation.
We are acting very, very bad. We decided to hold off on the gelato. It's just we've eaten so much today already. Plus we had big ice cream for lunch.
Lots of sweets already.
But the day's still young, so we might end up back in there.
For a little treat later.
Or 2 treats. Finally making our way to the spa. Are you excited?
Yes. I'm looking forward to it.
This will be your first trip in there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this will be my second. Hey, how you doing? This will be my second time going. We bought the week pass, which I regret doing because we're definitely not going to Castaway Cay Day.
No.
So we're basically maybe only going to go 3 out of the 7 days. So it was a bit of a waste of money, but live and learn.
That's right.
Yeah, next time I'll just buy single day packages.
Yeah, but we're going to enjoy it right now.
Yeah, we're going to probably spend maybe an hour in there or so.
Yeah.
Hanging out inside the rainforest room. We're in one of these saunas. It's 140 degrees, but it's not it's weird. How do you explain it?
It's kind of stuffy hot, but it's not like overwhelmingly hot. I don't know, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, we're not sweating or nothing, so I'm not familiar with it. I know I've been in this room before, previously, but could never get it to warm up, so I don't know. It's different.
It's nice, it feels good.
Relaxing.
Yes.
About 45 minutes in the rainforest room. I felt a little bit more sleepier than I did when I got here because I'm exhausted. Well, I'm relaxed is the word. You okay? And so now we're going to get ready for dinner. And then we're going to go to where? Enchanted Garden. All right, let's go get a shower, okay? Yep. Are you ready to head out for our last time at Enchanted Garden?
Sure.
And this will be tomorrow's our day at sea.
Yes.
Ready for that? You want to go this way?
I want to relax. Sure.
Might be windy. Okay. Or where are we headed? I don't even know. We're just out wandering the ship. You want to do pictures?
Yeah, we can go down and get
Well,
some pictures.
let's go down these elevators then. Is it raining? Let's go look. Oh, it's raining really hard too. Holy cow. I didn't realize it was raining. It is coming down. I don't think I've ever seen it storm this much on a ship.
No, this is pretty rough.
So, but the ship's not really rocking that much.
No, because I had no idea.
Wow. We're fogging up too. We decided to come back inside, take the elevators so we avoid.
So we can stay dry.
It is storming out there. It's unreal.
It's crazy.
But probably about 30 minutes they'll probably pass.
Oh, yeah.
Usually,
It'll be out of here.
yeah, the captain usually tries to, get around
Get away
that.
from it, yeah.
It must be a pretty big storm if we were rolling right to it. Whoa, I did feel that rocked pretty good right there. Here was our elevator, so let's go down. We are jamming here at Enchanted Garden, having the time of our lives, connecting with old friends, that photographer team friends that we hadn't seen. This is what, day 4 or 5, and we just ran into them.
It's been great.
Such a magical time. Don't want it to end. What you got, baby? You got some jambalaya?
A version of it, I guess.
Just add water.
Yes.
So you got yellow rice and shrimp?
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
It doesn't taste too bad. It's not very flavorful.
Was you good, boo? Oh, you laughing. Your giggle box got turned on.
My son.
He's special.
It makes sense.
Don't even have it.
Yes, you do. You just can't see them.
Our son, your fish is gone, baby. Was it
It
good?
was like
It was a little bitty.
a little bitty
It was like 2 ounces of fish.
I might get some turkey.
But I got some turkey and dressing here that's got a lot of turkey here, so it's okay. It's turkey's turkey.
Yeah.
And your 2 ounces of fish.
I don't know. I might have to get me a second order of something.
You're gonna have to be honest with the food on the comment cards because it hadn't been
Nothing to write home about for sure.
It's been decent, but
Edible.
it's not too good, but it was.
It's okay.
It is what it is. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Goofy. Happy birthday to you. So we sung happy birthday to Goofy, so we have to come down here and say hello to Goofy.
That's right. A personalized happy birthday.
Yeah, since I broke out the vocals.
Right?
Yes. Oh, Minnie. After another relaxation-filled day, fun day, rainforest room, concierge deck, pool deck, aqueduct, naps,
Oh, it was just so fun.
chilling
All
on
of it.
back, singing to Goofy.
Yeah, today's his birthday. We took pictures of Mickey and Minnie. We sang to Goofy. Took a picture of Donald.
Plus being able to enjoy it with amazing people.
Friends, yes.
Can't-
Can't get much better.
But it's about midnight
It's sleepy time.
because time's changing.
Yes.
Look who this is right here.
Tyler.
Tyler. Where's Gavin at, Tyler?
Oh, he wanted to stay.
Goofy boy wants to stay.
He's ready for some sleep. Tyler's smart.
Yep, Tyler's smarter than all of us. So we are headed to bed ourselves. We're following Tyler. He's being our inspiration. So we are going to go to bed, call it a night, and we will
See you
real soon.
soon.
Good night, everybody.